feel like I'm getting stabbed.
Some part of baby wash, like it's not supposed to go in your eye. It's supposed to hurt. No.
Hey, old man, take off your shirt.
No way.
All right in there, still soapy.
Get over.
I saw you up here too, Dad, so don't even want to talk to me.
What are you talking about?
Is my hair...
I went down to my jammers.
Is my hair soapy? Can you see any soap? Oh, I don't see any. No, great. This side? Okay, good. It's sticky. Grace, I don't see any.
I really...
Okay, so what do you think? You look clean. I'm good now. I'm good.
Say hi to Facebook.
Yeah.
No, don't put them on. Then I can't put them on Facebook.
There you go.
I can edit it.
Oh, I'm stupid. No. Come on, I'll get you out. I guess shaving's out of the question. Okay.
No, I did. It's really hard. It's not worth it.
I'm gonna get my tips though.
Shoot. Stop filming.
Do you still have soap?
It sounds so cool. Oh my God. Okay, we're done.
And